everyone, this is Leon.
This is Qilan.
Our MP7 is about 2048, just the famous game everyone know. So I will just briefly show you how to run this game first. The algorithm is just like 2048, you know. Like you use right, and the number will goes to right, and the two same number will become a larger one, and then down, left, just like that. I work mostly on the moving part. It looks like the longest part in this MP, but actually you just need to focus on one part because the four functions are similar. You need to consider two states in this moving function. Like if two adjacent cells doesn't have the same number, you just move the left cell to the right, and then you change the left number to 0. If they have the same number in this if statement, then you just multiply the number in the cell by 2. If the number in the cell becomes 2048, you just finish the game. If not, you just do what you did up above. You change the number in the left cell to 0. And the other functions are just the similar algorithm.
And I finished the part to generate a new element into the studio array. At first, I want to show you the method add, and actually, at first, I will generate a random integer within the range from 0 to 9, and the new element is whether 2 or 4, and 2 or 4 have the same probability to come up. And as for the position of this new element, it's not strictly random. It's relative to this argument, and it will determine where the new element will come up. And as for to display the grade, actually I use a method format to make sure that each element will take 4 digits. And as for the algorithm of this game, actually I will use add to add a new initial the grade and display it on the console, and then we will dive into a while loop. This while loop, this method move will call the for method to move to 4 directions. If none directions are available, it will return false, and we will break this while loop. Or we will display the grade at first and check if the game can be continued. If it's not, it will break, and this is basically the game.